I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by backing up everything you need, then placing the official PS3 updat. PUP on a FAT32 formatted USB drive in the /PS3/update folder. You must be on a clean account with system administrator access. Sign out of online services first. Once done, power off the console fully, then boot into recovery menu by holding the power button until 2 beeps and then a double beep. Make sure to connect the controller via USB when prompted so the console accepts input for the next step. Once in recovery menu, choose the option to system update and select your USB storage. The PS3 will read the PS3 updat, PUP, and verify the signature. The official installer replaces modified system files and removes many CFW alterations. Be patient. The process can take several minutes, and the console may restart multiple times. If the system offers to rebuild the database after install, allow it, because that clears leftover file entries and prevents instability. Make sure the power stays. After the update completes, go through initial system setup and sign back into your PSN account if desired. Restore your saves and media from USB. Check settings right arrow system information to confirm the console is running an official firmware version and that CFW indicators are gone. If you encounter error codes or the system fails to boot, return to recovery menu and try restore file system, then reapply the official update. If problems persist, consider a full reinstall from recovery menu and recheck your USB PUP integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.